In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Cloud for N8n. Let's get started by heading over to your Google Cloud account. Go ahead and log in to your Google Cloud console. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Client section and select the option to create a new client. As you set up your client, you'll need to choose Web Application for the application type. This is essential because it indicates how your application will be interacting with Google's services. Now, let's shift focus to N8n. If you haven't already, log into your N8n account. Once you're in, our goal is to create a new workflow. This sets the stage for all the magic to happen within N8n. As part of this workflow, you'll need to add a Google Drive node. Within this node, ensure to select the upload operation because our objective will ultimately be to upload files, which we'll see in action shortly. Moving forward, let's tackle the credentials aspect. Click on Credentials. You'll then need to add a new credential. Specifically, choose Google Drive OAuth 2. At this point, you'll see an OAuth redirect URL generated for you. Copy that URL. It's important because it allows Google to verify that the N8n request is coming from an approved source. Next, head back to your Google Cloud Console. You're going to add this URL, so paste your copied OAuth redirect URL into the appropriate field and click on Create to finalize everything. The critical step here is to ensure this URL matches the one provided by N8n because this is how the two systems communicate securely. After you've created the client in Google Cloud, you'll be provided with a client ID. Go back to N8n and paste this client ID into the client ID field. Now, it's time to hop back to your Google Cloud account once more. Click on the web client you've just created, and this time, your target is to extract the client secret. Copy the client secret and return to the N8n interface, pasting it in the client secret field provided. We're almost there. With everything filled in, move forward by clicking Sign in with Google. This action will prompt you to log in using your Google credentials. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this part. Upon successful login, you'll see a confirmation that the credentials have been successfully created within your personal space in N8n. And that's it. You've connected Google Cloud to N8n efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-tos and tech tips.